The greatest thing I've learned about people is, permit me to say that if they give you bass, make sure you give them boss. If you ever feel like you want to call me out for being a visually impaired person, guess what? I'm going to call you out, dub. I will be the one roasting you. Because now it's nothing to me again. I'm at that stage where it's no longer a big deal for me. Make sure that you can counter sweetness with sweetness, kindness with kindness, and make sure you counter madness with double madness. I'm not countering it because you are going to now say, oh, why is a person like this insulting? No. It's me that is insulting you. It's Abednego that is insulting you, that is coming at you. It's not a visually impaired person that is coming at you. Maybe 14, 15 years ago, that would have been the case. I would cry like a crybaby. But you see now, no. When you give me bass, me, I'll give you both 100. If you bring peace, I'll bring peace. If you bring... So, because we need it for balance. If you are always calm, collected, and things like that, I've noticed that you'll be taken for granted. I've seen it happen. Leadership always finds its way to me. And how have I been able to sustain it? It is because of I'm not staying calm. I'm not staying very quiet. I'm making sure that my voice is heard. I'm making sure that you cannot silence me. I'm the guy. I'm saying it again and again. I remain the guy.